So I'm standing in the beautiful display gardens of Schreiner's Iris Gardens, and I'm here with Steve Schreiner. And Steve, we're going to talk about all the different types of iris there are, because if you get all these different types, plant them in your garden at home, you can actually get irises to bloom for 3 months, even more.
That's right, William. Exactly. You can start out here April 1st with little miniature dwarf iris that are as short as 6 inches high. This doesn't happen to be a miniature dwarf. It's a little bigger. It's called Eramosa Skies, but it's the same size. And this is fireplace embers. They start April 1st. Then you step up 2 weeks later to standard dwarf bearded iris, which this self-indulgence right here. So this would be April 15th. This would be blooming.
That early, April 15th, wow.
And then shortly thereafter, you're going to have these intermediates like raspberry shocker. Remember, there isn't much color in the garden in April. And these are really gorgeous. And never mind fluorescent lights. When you see these outside in the garden, this is Outer Edge. This is AB. It's Arrow Bred Brash and Bold. And this one here is Bold Statement. These are intermediates. These bloom well into May.
Wow.
And then you follow that with the tall beardeds. This is Cloud Ballet. I think this is about my favorite color. I love the sky blue. And so now you're going into the very beginning of June.
Good grief.
And
there's still more.
There's still more, because we also have Louisiana irises, which bloom in June. So that's 3 months of iris bloom right there. And that doesn't even count the reblooming irises, some of which start in July.
And the thing that I am amazed about by this is because this family of plants, so many are hardy, that you really do get a amazing variance of sizes and heights, and even the bloom size really can change drastically.
Exactly. It's really it's such a delight what color does to us. It's just marvelous. And but I did want to talk about what our next 2 weekends have in store.
Because that is your big fun time every year, isn't it? Tell me about it.
Yeah, so, well, we had fun this weekend with Mother's Day, and we had a nice big crowd because the weather cooperated. We're grateful for that.
Right.
But this coming weekend, there's going to be another one full of events. We're going to have a Volks Walk from 9 in the morning till 3. We're going to have a demonstration on splitting irises and replanting them. We're going to have one on flower arranging. It's the Kaiser Iris Festival. And we're going to have two wonderful enterprises, one that sells elixir liqueur from Germanica Florentina in Florence, Italy, and the other is Spiritopia. So that's this weekend. The next weekend is the Memorial Day, the barbecue jazz put on by the Knights of Columbus. Calamity Jazz Band back for their second year from Eugene, Dixieland Jazz Band. And there's going to be an artist fair. So you'll be able to see a lot of beautiful art out there. So.
And all of that stuff, they can find all that stuff out on your website too, right?
That's right.
Well, you know, I have to tell you, I've been to all of these events and I've tasted a lot of the different beverages as well. So for more information, go to gardentime.tv. We'll kick you over there, gather up all that information for yourself, and then come out and not only have a great time with food and drink and family and friends, but have a great time in these display gardens. Are you done sniffing there, buddy?
Oh, they smell good too. Almost as good as... No, anyway, really good. So please come.